Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's story is about Mina and Jake, two friends who decide to speak only English for one whole day. You'll learn many useful phrases that help you speak more fluently and naturally in everyday life. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can hear every word and practice together. Let's listen to their English day and see how they learn through real conversation.
Hey, Jake.
Hey, what's up?
I was thinking, I really want to speak English fluently someday.
That's great. Then let's speak only English today.
Only English? All day?
Yep. No Japanese, just English.
That sounds difficult.
Maybe, but that's how you get fluent.
What if I make mistakes?
Make them. Mistakes mean you're learning.
Okay, then let's do it. English only.
That's the spirit. Let's go.
I woke up early today,
Nice. What time?
around 6:30.
Wow, that's early. What did you do first?
I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and made coffee.
Good morning energy.
Yeah, I need coffee to start my day.
Same here. I can't function without coffee.
You said function? What does that mean?
It means to work or to operate, like a machine.
Oh, so like I can't function without coffee means I can't work without coffee?
Exactly.
You know, I always want to speak faster.
Fluency isn't speed, it's flow.
Flow?
Yeah. You don't need to speak fast. You just need to keep the conversation going naturally.
Oh, that's easier.
The key is not to stop too long. If you forget a word, use another one.
Like roundabout speaking?
Exactly. That's fluency. By the way, did you sleep well last night?
Pretty well. I went to bed around 11?
That's good. Sleep is really important for language learning, you know?
Really? Why?
Because your brain processes everything you learned during the day while you sleep.
Oh, so if I study English before bed, I'll remember it better?
Exactly. Your brain is like, organizing files while you sleep.
That's interesting. I'll try that tonight.
So, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
Usually, eggs and toast. Simple but good.
Wait, I thought you liked Japanese food.
I do. I like rice and miso soup too. But this morning, I wanted something quick.
Classic Japanese breakfast.
Yeah. My grandma always says, you can't think well on an empty stomach.
Smart grandma.
She's also funny. She tries to speak English sometimes.
Really? That's cute.
Yeah, she says things like, nice to meet you, to the TV.
That's adorable. She's practicing too.
So, what's your goal for your English?
Wait, my English? You mean your English?
Oh, right. I mean, my English goal.
See, that's a natural mistake. Don't worry about it.
I want to talk naturally, like we're doing now.
That's a perfect goal.
Sometimes I translate in my head before I speak.
Yeah, Everyone does that at first, but try to think in English little by little.
That sounds hard.
Start simple, like, it's hot, I'm hungry, that's cute.
Okay, I'll try that. Should I say them out loud?
Yes, even when you're alone. Talk to yourself.
Won't people think I'm crazy?
Let's grab a coffee.
Again? You just had one.
True, but you can never have too much coffee.
Is that healthy though?
Probably not, but it makes me happy.
Okay, one more cup. But this is your last one today.
Deal. Maybe.
You're impossible.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
I'll have a, cappuccino, please?
Sure. What size?
Oh, medium?
Great. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Perfect. That'll be 480 yen.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
You did great.
Really? I was so nervous.
You sounded natural.
I mixed up I'll have and I'm have last time, remember?
Yeah. But this time was perfect.
I think I'm getting better little by little.
See? That's the key. Little by little.
Sometimes I forget words though.
That's okay. Don't panic. Just describe it.
Describe?
Yeah. For example, if you forget umbrella, you can say the thing for rain.
Oh, that's smart.
That's fluency. Using what you know.
So like, if I forget refrigerator, I can say the cold box for food.
Exactly. See? You're getting it.
What about, if I forget bicycle?
Good question. What would you say?
The thing with two wheels?
Perfect. That works.
This is fun. Like a game.
That's the right attitude. Do you ever forget words in Japanese?
Every day.
Really?
Yeah, especially when I'm tired. But I just laugh and keep going. That's how I learn.
Wait, that's my line.
I'm learning from you.
So I should laugh more.
Yes, enjoy your mistakes. They're your best teachers.
Now you're definitely stealing my lines.
You make it sound easy.
Because it can be easy. If you relax.
I'll try that next time.
Not next time. This time.
Okay, starting now. Wow, the weather's so nice today.
Yeah, perfect for a walk. It's great to take a break sometimes.
You know, when I speak English outside, I feel shy.
I understand. Many learners feel the same. But try to think. Most people don't care.
Really? Even if I make mistakes?
Especially then. People usually respect anyone who tries to speak another language.
That makes me feel a bit better.
Here's a secret. Confidence is more important than perfection.
Confidence. I'll try to remember that.
Also, when you walk or move, your brain relaxes. That helps you speak more naturally.
Oh, that makes sense. So, walking and talking is good practice.
Exactly. That's why we're doing it now.
Look at that dog. It's so cute.
Yeah, it looks happy. Do you have any pets?
No, but I want a cat someday.
Cats are nice. They're independent.
What does independent mean?
It means they don't need much attention. They can be alone.
Oh, like jiritsu shiteru in Japanese.
Exactly.
I like learning words in context like this.
That's the best way. You remember them better.
In school, we just memorized word lists.
Yeah, that's boring. And you forget them quickly.
True. But when I used a word in a real conversation, I never forget it.
See? That's why speaking is so important.
This sandwich is so good.
Glad you like it. By the way, how do you usually practice English?
Mostly by myself. I watch YouTube videos and repeat sentences.
That's great. You're already doing something important. Repetition.
But sometimes I feel bored.
Then mix it up. For example, watch something funny one day, then listen to music the next.
Oh, like making English part of my hobbies.
Exactly. Learning should be fun. If you enjoy it, your brain learns faster.
That's true. When I laugh, I remember words better.
That's called emotional memory. Emotions make learning stick.
Wow, that's interesting. I'll try to learn with more emotion.
Great idea. Oh, by the way, do you ever talk to yourself in English?
Sometimes, like, where's my phone? Or I'm hungry.
That's perfect. That's how kids learn their first language.
Oh, I never thought about that. So, small phrases are okay too?
Absolutely. The key is consistency, not length.
Got it. I'll try to speak to myself more often.
What kind of videos do you watch?
Usually daily vlogs, like a day in my life videos.
Those are perfect. The English is casual and natural.
Yeah, and they use everyday vocabulary.
Do you watch with subtitles?
Sometimes English subtitles, not Japanese.
That's smart. Japanese subtitles can be a crutch,
A crutch? What's that?
like something you lean on, something that supports you but can make you weaker.
Oh, I see. So using Japanese subtitles too much isn't good.
Right. It's okay at first, but try to move away from them.
I'll try. What about you? How did you learn Japanese?
Mostly through anime at first.
Really? That's funny.
Yeah, but I learned some weird words,
Like what?
like battle phrases. I won't give up. Or, this is my final attack.
That's not useful in daily life.
Exactly. So I started watching dramas instead.
That makes sense. More realistic conversations.
Yeah, and I made Japanese friends who corrected me.
That's important. Having people to practice with.
Definitely. That's why we're doing this today.
Wow, the sky is beautiful.
Yeah, it's a nice ending to a good day.
I spoke English almost all day today. I can't believe it.
And you did great. You made mistakes, but you kept going. That's what matters.
Thanks. I feel more confident now.
That's the goal. English isn't about being perfect, it's about communicating.
Communicating. Yeah, I think I finally understand that.
So, what's your next step?
Maybe to talk with foreigners by myself.
That's a great challenge. Where will you do that?
Maybe at a language exchange cafe? Or online.
Both are good options. Online might be less scary at first.
Yeah, because I can turn off the camera if I'm too nervous.
True, but try to keep it on. It helps with confidence.
I'll try. And remember, it's okay to fail. Just keep trying.
Hey, that's my advice.
I know, but it's good advice, so I'm keeping it.
Fair enough. You know what? I'm proud of you.
Really?
Yeah, you challenged yourself today. That takes courage.
Thank you. I couldn't have done it without you.
You could have, but I'm glad I was here.
Me too. Thanks for spending the day with me, Jake.
Anytime, Mina. You're doing great. Let's speak English again tomorrow.
Deal. Same time?
Sure. And next time, let's try some harder topics.
Like what?
Maybe current events or your dreams for the future.
That sounds challenging, but fun.
That's the spirit. See you tomorrow.
See you. And Jake,
Yeah,
thanks for believing in me.
always. Now go home and talk to yourself in English.
I will. Bye.
Bye.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed today's story with Mina and Jake and learned many natural English expressions. Remember, fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about keeping the conversation flowing. If you keep practicing a little every day, your English will get better and better. We're making more slow and clear English stories like this, so you can listen, shadow, and improve step by step. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.